Today, data is like oxygen for organizations. If it's not flowing as it should be, or the quality is bad, you most likely get some serious issues. That's why DevOps is not enough. Just making sure your code is running simply doesn't cut it. We need to make sure data is supplied reliably to the places and the quality we need it to. So let's talk DataOps. DataOps applies continuous delivery, DevOps principles, and statistical process control to data analytics. The aim is to gain similar improvements in speed, quality, and scale as DevOps brought to software development. But why do we need it? DevOps exclusively deals with code. DataOps is also about constantly monitoring and verifying that your data pipelines are working. That is the critical difference. While doing so, it is not tied to any particular technology, architecture, tool, language, or framework. Tools that support DataOps promote collaboration, orchestration, quality, security, and access. The central metric for DataOps is cycle time. That is the time from the proposal of a new idea to the deployment of the finished analytics. By minimizing this time as much as possible, data scientists and analysts, for example, spend less time on acquiring and massaging data for their projects, so the organization gains a competitive advantage through faster and high-quality insights. TLDR, DataOps delivers better data faster. This is episode 2 of my XOps video series. In the last video, I talked about DevOps and how it revolutionized software development. And in upcoming videos, I will talk more about other ops practices like MLOps with their differences and similarities. Till then, have a nice day. Cheers.